If you don't have much space inside your bedroom, then you have to look for ways to maximize what you do have. One good place to look is under your bed, where you'll find ample room to store your stuff. Welcome to Jansen's DIY, and here are 25 super genius ideas to maximize underbed storage ideas. 1. If you have one shoe too many and are tired of piling them all inside your closet, you need to check out these wooden rolling storage boxes, which you can use to organize your shoes and sneakers. Easy to create yourself, you can even fit these wooden crates up with knobs, some metal accent, or whatever design will match the decor of your bedroom. 2. It doesn't matter whether your beds have bunks or not. There will almost always be unused space underneath. That dark space where monsters supposedly reside in is real estate that you can use to your advantage, especially with this underbed storage bins on wheels. This device will let you access items you have stored beneath your bed with ease. Check out the complete DIY guide on Jamie Costiglio. 3. Here's a great solution for your storage needs: an innovative bed that has plenty of storage spaces. In all, you get a total of 9 spaces, 3 on 3 sides, for you to store your things in. The baskets for you to store your old books, sheets, shoes, and other accessories are also included in the package. The package includes 2 wicker baskets that can fit in 8 of the spaces, giving you room to play around with different configurations. 4. If you need some help organizing the things in your bedroom, this wheeled plastic box that has a latch can save you precious space. This item comes in a space-saving shape and is easily accessible. All you have to do is pull the wheeled box out, undo one latch, and lift the lid to access whatever things you have stored inside of it. This item will help you take back control of your messy bedroom by giving you space to store your extra blankets, shoes, clothes, or other items you have just lying around. 5. Make the most out of the real estate under your bed with these plastic pull-out storage drawers. Ingenious and clever, these wooden boxes are mounted on casters, so you can easily push them in to keep your things hidden and organized. You can also just as easily pull them out should you need to get any item from storage. 6. Are you in a pickle since your bedroom does not have space to fit both a bed and a closet? Don't worry your pretty little head, as this shelf bed storage is the answer to your dilemma. It's pretty easy to set up, as all you need are 3 storage shelves, 12 cube-shaped supply holders, a sheet of plywood, a mattress, and you're all set to go. 7. Are the number of shoes that you have becoming a bane rather than a blessing simply because you don't have ample space to store them all in? You'll thank the heavens for this wooden organizer that can help you store your shoes underneath your bed for easy storage and access. A bonus to this item is that it has adjustable dividers, which means you can customize it to cater to your growing footwear collection. Check out this step-by-step guide on Aniska DIY Life. 8. Make sure you are making the most out of the space inside your bedroom by using these underbed storage bags. Innovatively designed to provide you with extra space in areas where there is nearly none, these chic bags have tall sides and handles, so you can easily pull them out from under the bed. These items are ideal for storing virtually anything: seasonal clothes, bed linens, shoes, and many more. 9. As great as having many pairs of shoes are, the experience can be dulled when the thought of where you're going to keep all of them creeps into your head. Fortunately, this underbed storage drawer can give you peace of mind, as it can keep 8 pairs of shoes and can easily be slid under your bed. Check out the step-by-step guide on Virginia Sweet Pea. 10. Keep your extra clothes, for example your seasonal garments and bedding, tucked away neatly with this soft, stylish, and versatile bin. Sized just right to fit underneath your bed and slide in and out of it, this item is a smart solution to all your storage problems. 11. Does stepping into your kid's bedroom make you feel like you're entering a whole different dimension because of the mess they made? You can say goodbye to messy rooms with this IKEA Algot storage hack that takes all of 10 minutes and a few easy supplies to create. Credit to Heathered Nest. All you need is an Algot wire storage bin, swivel casters, nylon cable ties, a pair of scissors, and an alternate mesh basket, and you are all ready to go. Simply put one caster in each corner of your mesh bin, then move to step 2. With the bin upside down, weave the zip tie through one hole in your caster up through the bottom of your mesh basket. Holding your caster in place, flip basket back over. Close and tighten the zip ties, one at a time, by pulling them tight. 12. If you have a young child that is fond of playing with toy trains or Lego plastic bricks, you should make sure they have an area to play with them other than the floor. Anyone who has stepped on a Lego brick with his or her bare feet knows what we are talking about. More importantly, they should have a place to keep these in, and this pull-out drawer will get the job done. You can also add another drawer that can function as a platform for your kids to play on. 13. Is shoe storage now becoming a problem? With your shoe rack and closet already filled with shoes, where would you keep your prized possessions? This underbed shoe organizer may be the answer to your storage concerns, as it can easily fit 16 pairs. Made of non-woven fabric and thick cardboard, this shoe organizer is sturdy and has a see-through plastic cover that will help keep your shoes in pristine condition. 14. The lack of storage is a usual dilemma for people that have small spaces. So much so that people often have to get creative with how and where they keep their things. This rolling underbed storage shelf can maximize the space under your bed with its durable carbon steel storage shelf and 4 lockable caster wheels. 15. Anyone who has a young kid knows how tough it can be to always be aware of stepping of toys. To make sure that the toys are stored properly when they are not in use, you can make this underbed toy storage box using an old drawer from Grillo Designs. It has small caster wheels and handles that will allow your child to easily pull it from beneath the bed to access his toys. It's easy to make, especially if you have an old, unused drawer lying around the house. 16. The best storage solutions need not be complex. It can be as simple and as unsophisticated as cardboard, but still as efficient as those you find at IKEA or on online stores. This is exactly the case with this low-profile storage drawer that you can make yourself using cardboard. Credit to Curiosityness. You can then add some handles and perhaps some other things as well to spruce it up a little. 17. Finding a spot to keep your extra stuff in can be a tricky exercise, especially when there isn't much space to begin with. Also, storage can be expensive to buy. And when you have a lot of things to keep, the price tag of buying a lot of storage bins might be too much for your wallet. Fortunately, you can make one using small crates and adding handles and casters to it to make it more portable, like the ones shown on School of Decorating. They're easy to make, and the cost of the materials that you need won't set you back much. 18. Kids and their toys can get on your nerves, especially if they're scattered all over your small space. One thing that can help your situation are these cute little baskets that you can even put labels on, so your child knows what's inside which basket. It even has those clasps that give it a rustic vibe. 19. Lego blocks are your feet's kryptonite. Boy, do those things hurt when you step on those with your bare feet. To prevent such a catastrophe from happening, you can make this under-the-bed Lego storage drawers to help keep those blocks out of the way when your kid isn't playing. Credit to Eat, Pray, and Create. They can easily be rolled in and out and are also very sturdy. Best of all, you'll enjoy the savings you get from making these yourself. 20. Give your underbed storage a serious upgrade with this collapsible bin. This item features a catchy print that was inspired by classic blankets and heightened by all-over diamond quilted seaming. If you don't have any need for them at the moment, you can collapse these by taking away the base panel and then store as desired. 21. These rolling underbed wood storage carts from Jenna Berger are really easy and very inexpensive. Most importantly, they will help keep your children's toys out of everyone's way, and your kids can have easy access to them when it is time to play. The best part is, each one costs just around $10 to create from scratch, while stores online are selling them for at least $40. 22. This gorgeous-looking underbed storage drawer will help you keep your things neat and organized. Made of durable canvas and steel framing that is easy to assemble, it is strong enough to hold up to 80 pounds of items. This makes it an ideal place to stash your extra clothes, bedding, and so much more. 23. Aside from using these recycled dresser drawers for under-the-bed storage, these cute storage units will also work well when placed under a bench for shoes. You can even place these under your coffee table, where you can store your blankets, books, magazines, or toys. Check out the step-by-step DIY guide on Olive and Love. 24. When there isn't much space to begin with, you should make every inch count. This is what this underbed rolling shoe rack can do for you, as it can properly store a dozen pairs of shoes under most twin beds. 25. If you happen to have a high bed, then this underbed storage box can work perfectly, as these fit neatly into space beneath your bed. The space under your bed need not be an area that just collects dust. Rather, it can be a smart space where you can store your quilts, linens, and pillows. These storage boxes are also very easy to roll out, thanks to the casters that you find on the base. And that's all for now. What do you think about this episode? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comments section. For more decorating and organizing ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.